Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's video I'll be teaching you how to make this cute headband, so stay tuned. For this tutorial I'll be needing our yarn as usual. I'll be using the 3mm crochet hook. We'll need our stitch markers, we'll need our scissors, and I'll be needing our needle. So to begin, because this yarn is too tiny, I'm going to double it. So if yours is actually like this, you have to double it as well. So we'll make our slip knot first, then we'll make a chain of 16. So you chain yarn over and pull through like this. You make your chain 16 chains. Please make sure you count your chain as you are going. Make sure you always count your chain to be sure of how many chains you are making or how many chains you are working with, because that's like the foundation of our work. Have it in mind that this chain is going to determine how wide our band is going to be, so make sure you chain to your desired length for the band. So yeah, I'm going to be using 16 for this tutorial, so you can chain 14 or any length of your choice, but I'm going to be using 16 for this tutorial because that is what I want. So after chaining 16, we'll chain an extra one, so you chain one more, that's making it 17. After making the extra one, we have 17 chains. So after the 17 chains, we'll begin our first row, and our first row we'll start making our single crochet. You insert your hook in the second chain from your hook, just like this. That's like the 16th chain, not the last one you added. So you make your single crochet like this. You use your stitch marker to mark that this is the first single crochet you made for the row. Then you continue making your single crochet all through, so you have 16 single crochet. That is if you followed my measurement. If you use 16, if you made 16 chains or 17 chains, you should have 16 single crochet at the end. So you just make your 16 single crochet like this, just like this. Insert your hook, put through and put through all like this. You just keep making your single crochet till you get to the last chain. Yeah, so I'll meet you when we get to the last chain. This is the last chain, so you make your last single crochet here like this. For row 2, chain 1 and turn your work like this. So this is the pattern you'll be using to work. Just chain 1. When you get to the end, chain 1, turn your work and make single crochet all through. So you make your first single crochet like this, and this is, you'll be making single crochet all through this row. When you get to the end, you make a chain and turn your work and continue making single crochet. For this row, just continue making your single crochet till you get to the end of the row, and I'll meet you when we get to the end of this row. We're at the end of the row, so make the last single crochet like this. Then to continue, just chain 1, then turn your work, then you continue for row 3. Just continue making your single crochet until you get your desired length that goes round your head. You keep making it till it's able to go round your head. So just keep following the pattern. When you get to the end, you chain 1 and turn your work and make single crochet all through to the end like that. And I'll see you right after we get our desired length. This is what my work is looking like so far, and I'm on the last row. So I'm just going to chain and cut it like this. Then after tightening your work like this, so this is what I have. This is my desired length. This is the length that goes round my head. This is what it looks like. So just cut our ends like this, our extra yarns like this. and like this. The next thing you'll be doing is you take the ends like this, make sure they're facing each other. Take the ends like this and make the other ones for like this. Just fold it like this, then you slide it through like this. So just slide it in like this, and don't make it all the way inside, don't take it all the way down, just make sure it is like halfway into the other one, into each other, just halfway into like this. Yeah, just like this. Then you take your needle, which already has like yarn on it, then you sew them together, like sew all four together. You know, it's like halfway in, so it's like you sew the four together. Make sure you sew them firmly, make sure it is very tight. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, like, share, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post you get notified. After sewing it like this, we'll be sewing this other part. There's this side that is open, we'll be sewing them together as well. So just turn your needle like this, then join them together and sew it as well, just the same way you sew the other one. Just sew these two, attach the two together and sew it just like I'm doing in this video. Don't forget to sew it tight. Make sure it is very tight. Make sure it is very tight. So after sewing it like this, sewing everything in, just tighten your work, tighten the yarn, then cut it like this. I always make sure I leave like a tail, a little end that I tie after, like maybe like twice or three times after, like this, then before cutting everything. I don't know if you saw what I did, so yeah. After cutting it, just turn your headband. This is going to be the inside, so just turn it out like this, and then here you go, you have your headband, your cute headband. Thank you for watching my video to this point. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yes, subscribe, so that you have more cute tutorials like this, like easy tutorials like this. So yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.